Assalamu alaikum. Welcome. My name is Bilal Khan, coming at you from Space City, aka Houston, home of the Houston Rockets. Today is going to be a bit of a review recap. Specifically, you're going to leave this video understanding the idea of the fact that you are reading, or rather, you're going to say, I, not me, but you. You're going to say, I am reading this with zealous determination. Remember that phrase. I am reading this with zealous determination. Why is this phrase important? Well, that phrase essentially tells you, mnemonics, is that the right word? Where essentially, I am reading this with zealous determination. These 7 letters are letters that are introverted in the Arabic language. These are the 7 letters that don't connect on the left side when you're reading it. Now with Arabic is a language that you read from right to left and top to bottom. And so there are certain letters on the left side, they don't connect with anything. And so if we were to put this into a phrase where I say, I am reading this with, what happened? Where? Reading. Reading. There you go. Is that a better G for you? I am reading this with zealous. You know what? Let me make this a little bit bigger and clearer. I am writing this like as if I am sending a secret message in a spy thriller movie. Let's try that again. I am reading this with zealous determination. What happened? Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. I am reading this with zealous determination. So what do we have here? We have here Alif. We have here Hamza. I'm writing the numbers 1 and 2. My handwriting is wonderful. Let me try that again. We got Alif and we got Hamza. Still looks like a 2. We got Ra. We've got this and that. That actually looks like a Z. Hold on. We've got this. There you go. Z. And then we got wow. And then we got Z. And then we got Domingo. So Alif, Hamza, race car, this and that, wow, zoom zoom, and Domingo. So I am reading this with zealous determination. Now, if I were to put this together here in order, so we've got, or it's probably not going to be in order, but we got Alif, Hamza, right? Then we've got Dhal, then we got Dhal, then we got Ra, and then we got Zain, and then we got wow. There you go. That's not all of them. I am reading this. So let's try this. So I am reading this with zealous determination. And so that right there, ladies and gentlemen, are the 7 letters that don't connect on the left side. If you need to understand that, hey, I need to identify something, and what we're going to do is we're going to go through this passage and we're going to be identifying each of those I am reading this with zealous determination letters today, right here, right now. So get your script ready, get your mushaf ready. If you don't got a mushaf for the immediate thing right now, assuming you have YouTube Premium, I'm not advertising YouTube Premium, but if you have YouTube Premium, what you can do is you can just kind of minimize the window, play it while using another app, open up Quran.com and follow this passage, Surah Al-Fath, verse 29. Or if you happen to have yourself a mushaf like this, or if you don't have a mushaf, go to your nearest mosque and request to borrow one. I would highly advise that you can do that, and I'm sure somebody would be more than happy to lend you one. And so this way you can go through the passages. Let's do this. This is going to be our first amalgam episode. Is it an amalgam? Well, basically we're going through more than one letter multiple letters in one passage at a time. So let's do this. You got this. Let's go. We've got Domingo, right? That was our first one. Then we got race car, and then we got Alif, and then we have wow. Well, I missed the what? The first wow? I missed the wow. That one? Yeah, guys, if I miss one, let me know. Sufyan is on me right now. Thank you. Let's go. We got another wow here. We got Alif. We got this and that. Any more? Wow. We got Alif and Hamza. We got Domingo, Alif, Hamza. What else? We got Alif. Keep going, keep going. Race car, Hamza, Alif. Keep going. What else we got? We've got race car. What else? We got another race car. And we've got another Domingo. We've got wow. We got Alif right here. I forgot about that one. What else here? We've got wow. We got race car. We got wow. One thing I didn't point out before, you see this guy right here? This little itty bitty, teeny tiny? That's a little Alif. That's a teeny tiny little Alif. He's hiding. But just wanted you to know, it looks like that. I mean, it's kind of like that, but it's a little curved. It's like an accent. And so but just want you to know that just like you have little baby wows, just like this one, cute little baby wows, right? Just like that. You can also have cute little baby Alifs right there. So I didn't cover that in the previous videos, but just an FYI. Keep going. We got wow. We got wow. We've got Alif and Hamza, race car Alif. Wow. Keep going. Another baby Alif right there. And we've got Domingo, this and that. Oh, I know this is not part of the objective of this video. Right there. That right there is a baby Jimmy John, Jug. But just want to let you know if you hadn't already noticed it. Keep going. We got Alif here, Alif with a nimbus cloud. We got another baby Alif. What else? We got a wow. We've got Alif nimbus cloud or tadpole, however you want to look at it. This is what happens when you get so boom, that one right there. Keep going. And we've got this and that. No, we got a zoom and a race car. We got Alif Hamza. Keep going. We got a race car right there. We got Hamza. Wow. Hamza. Zoom race car. Wow. Alif with a nimbus cloud. This is one of the things that you can always figure out. One thing, because it's common. It's common to confuse Alif here, especially when it's at the end, with something like this. That is not an Alif. How do we know that's not an Alif? Because it's connected in the middle. Alif has no middle. Alif is beginning and by itself or in the end. That doesn't connect. So this we know is an Alif. But one of the other indicators is that it's got the nimbus cloud on it or tadpole, or it's going to have a Hamza on top of it, or it might be by itself. Whereas this right here is a different letter. And so that's basically the Arabic L. L. No, other way. But this is not an L for me. Are you seeing it? Like, is this an L for? Because if I look at it, it's an L. No, it's not. What are you talking about? Oh yeah, you're right. Never mind. I just went totally dyslexic from yeah. I'll take the L. Anyway, keep going. We got the Alif with the nimbus cloud. Continuing, Alif with the nimbus cloud. Wow. Baby Alif. Wow. What else we got? We got Alif with the nimbus cloud. We got zoom, race car, Alif. Keep going. Alif with a nimbus cloud. Race car. Wow. Alif nimbus cloud. Alif nimbus cloud. I'm sure like some people that have studied this traditionally are looking at me. They're like, what is this guy talking about? Don't worry, guys. If you studied this traditionally, you're way ahead of the most people. This is not for you. So, but you might find what I'm sharing useful with y'all student. Uh, or you can make like a tree and leave. You got more than make like a banana and split. Anyway, we got Hamza, Alif, Wow, Alif, Alif with a halo. That's basically what that is. We got Wow. What else? We got Alif with a halo. Wow, Alif with a nimbus cloud. Baby Alif, baby Alif. What else? We got a race car. Wow, Alif, Hamza, Alif, and Alif. We're ending with Alif. I hope you guys found this helpful. I hope you are reading this with zealous determination. I want you to say it. Say it 3 times loud. I am reading this with zealous determination. These are the 7 letters that don't connect on the left side. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. I'll see you soon.